the Panasonic Lumix GH2. It's an older digital camera, and I wanted to try out my wire lavalier mic, my Sony one, and then come to find out that this won't fit into the microphone jack. The reason being that this is a 2.5 input and this is a 3.5. So I was looking, and a lot of people suggested to get this Hosa adapter, which is an angle adapter, and it's going to be 3.5 TRS to 2.5 TRS, which is that input. So I'm going to demonstrate for you how that. Here is the mic input right there, and then what we want to do is we want to plug this in. Okay, once we have this in, we're met with this prompt. It says make sure that you turn on the power on the external microphone. So I didn't have to do that for this, like the camera detected it right away. And you can see right now the meters are not running, meaning that there is no sound because I haven't connected the microphone yet. So once I connect the microphone, I like this because it doesn't protrude out. So we're gonna plug this in, make sure it's all the way in. And now we can see the sound meters capturing my sound. See if I tap on it, there it is for the left and for the right. So it's capturing my audio. Alright, so what I want to do next is I want to film video with just audio from the mics on the camera. And then we're going to film another video with the audio coming from the Sony microphone. So let's do that right now. This is the sound of the Panasonic GH2 and its internal mics. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and we're doing this to test out the Hosa external mic. But before we do that, this is an audio recording so you can listen to the difference between the internal mics of the GH2, and now we're going to connect the external mic. Let's go to it. We have now successfully connected the Sony wire lapel mic to the Lumix Panasonic GH2. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and it's connected via the Hosa Angle adapter, which is 3.5 millimeter to the 2.5 millimeter, which is the Panasonic. So hopefully this helps you in connecting an external microphone such as the Sony lapel mic. Audio check 1, 2, 3.